Get rid from muscle pain after exercise. Getting sore muscles a day or two after an intensive workout or rigorous exercise is normal, especially if you are increasing your exercise intensity or starting on a new sport or exercise. The delayed muscle aches and muscle pain are caused by tiny injuries in the muscle fiber and connective tissue. Prolonged muscle pain after a workout can be a sign of muscle injury. Muscle aches often respond well to home treatment. Some measures you can take to relieve muscle discomfort from injuries and overuse include resting the area of the body where you are experiencing aches and pains, taking an over-the-counter pain reliever such as ibuprofen, applying ice to the affected area to help relieve pain and reduce inflammation. You should use ice for 1 to 3 days following a strain or sprain and apply heat for any pain that remains after 3 days. Other measures that may provide relief from muscle pain include gently stretching the muscles, avoid high-impact activities until after the muscle pain goes away, avoid weightlifting sessions until the muscle pain is resolved, giving yourself time to rest, doing stress-relieving activities and exercises such as yoga and meditation to relieve tension. Tips for preventing sore muscles. If your muscle pain is caused by tension or physical activity, take these measures to lower your risk of developing muscle pain in the future. Stretch your muscles before engaging in physical activity and after workouts. Incorporate a warm-up and a cool-down into all of your exercise sessions. Stay hydrated, especially on days when you are active. Engage in regular exercise to help promote optimal muscle tone. Get up and stretch regularly if you work at a desk or in an environment that puts you at risk for muscle strain or tension. People who work at a desk should make an effort to get up and stretch at least every 6 minutes.